Walled Lake Western's Drama Department is presenting the Triangle Factory Fire Project on February 1st, 2nd, and 3rd at 7:30. The Triangle Factory Fire happened in March of 1911 in New York City, and it was the most deadly fire in New York's history as far as factory fires go. After the fire, what ended up happening was a lot of the reforms for workplace safety came as a result of that. It was a contributing factor to minimum wage and actually led to creating some child labor laws. So this is the story. It comes from archival documents, eyewitness reports, the newspapers, and the court hearing. It's being presented by 17 students that range from freshmen through seniors. And it's a very good show. I love a true story, so I'm kind of excited about doing it. What's really been exciting about this show is watching the kids find out more and more about the Triangle Fire and realizing who these people are that they're portraying. You're able to Google these people and find pictures of them. You can Google the fire and see it. And we're hoping to have some images projected during the production too, so you can really see, because most of the students are playing multiple characters, so watching them change their character for whatever number of people they're playing has been really interesting and been a challenge for them, and it's making for some great acting. This is definitely a drama, but it is okay for the whole family, and I really think that because it does tap into our own history, and we're seeing so many issues happen now with workplace safety and women's rights, that I think it's timely. Tickets are on sale now, and you can buy them at the box office the night of the show, or if you want to buy them ahead of time, they are available through our website for the school district, and you can visit there and get them in advance. I really hope that you're able to come and see us, bring the family. The kids have been working really hard on this, and they want it to be authentic and true. It's an interesting set, it's great performances, and there's a lot of kids involved. So come support some good high school theater. I don't think you'll regret it.